Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogtober. Today is shopping haul day and I have a Lidl and a Dunelm haul for you. So let's get straight into it. So I have just spread everything over, no reason or rhyme for it. So let's get started. Got some beef jerky. This is for Paul to send in his packages. Some Mazdam slices. They had this for 99p, ylang ylang and juniper. I'll use that as hand soap. Got some vegetable oil or sunflower oil even. Some cocoa powder. It says for drinking. Oh, and baking, okay. I got some of my coffee pods. I got the Lungo and there's a latte somewhere. They had this on offer, honey salt. So Ritter Sport, honey salt almonds and macadamia. So I thought they looked really nice. Some bananas, some Bavarian bratwursts, the little thin ones, some prawns, some steak, pork shoulder steaks, 4 of my favourite yogurt. You know that I love this. I also got some brioche buns for burgers, some white chocolate chips, some Mexican style microwavable rice. This is Alex's favourite. I got this cheese and onion deli filler. I like having this on jacket potatoes or sandwiches. Another one, it's not beef jerky, it's biltong. And they had some command hooks there. I got 3 different ones, I think. These were for $1.79, which is a really good price. And I also got one of those. Got some mini garlic and coriander naan breads. They're really handy because they come in a pack. Like you can just cut the pack in half. Some eggs. Toothbrushes for Alex. I saw these mini scourers. They're like flower shaped. Never resist stuff like that. 2 little lasagnas, some crispy cubes. I actually thought this was like Rice Krispie bars, but they're not. So, some Frosted Flakes bars, loads of smoothies. This will last the whole month for Alex. Some UHT milk. Here's the latte pods, cheese and onion quiche, some bin liners. I got 2 of these. I've had one for lunch already. Picked up some gravy granules, chestnut mushrooms. Some of this I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce, but they're basically the shells, the big ones. Alex really wanted to try that. Some crisps, and then some tomato, mozzarella and mascarpone things, ravioli type of thing. Some fajita seasoning, got some curly parsley, some mixed peppers, some madeleines, banoffee pie, having a friend for dinner over tonight, so that would be nice. Condensed milk, some korma paste pots, some dried mango, you guys know I love those, whole hazelnuts, some light soft sugar, brown sugar, sorry, iceberg lettuce, ground almonds, pecans, some more mango, dark chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, butter, more of that sliced Mazdam, some kidney beans and lemon juice. And then finally, I've got it spread all over the kitchen, 2 more skimmed milks, another command tape, Diet Coke and some washing liquid. No, some washing powder, sorry. There you go. Here's what I got in Dunelm. I got this lampshade, which is for the hall, for the entrance hall kind of thing. That was £15, which is quite a lot, but it was one of the cheapest and looked decent. I really liked the details, so I got it. It was the last place in the house that was missing a lampshade. I also got this. Together is my favourite place to be. It's a little wooden sign. I don't see these very often. Like in America, they have them all the time for all over the seasons. But here, not so much. It was actually in the clearance, so I got it for $2.50. I thought that would look nice in our bedroom. I got another sign also in the clearance for $1.50, and it's just an arrow. I quite like that as well. And then in the bathroom section, I picked up this light pool for the bathroom, and it's a little whale. Let me get it out and show you. Look how cute. So it just hangs like so. I thought that was really cute, and that was $4.50, I think. And then I saw these and I thought they looked so lovely. They're candle holders. They're also in the sale section. This is marble, so they're really, really heavy, and then wood. £5 for the smaller one, and then £6 for the taller one. So they used to be double the price, so I really like those. And then finally, I just got some placemats. Ribbed placemat set of 2. These were £4 for a set of 2, and I got 2 sets. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have got 2 more because I have settings of 6 for everything. So maybe I'll pick it up next time I go past. And they match my table runner pretty much on the dot. And that is it for this haul, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.